Escape the hustle of Bangkok with these incredible day trip ideas. Discover hidden treasures, cultural spots, and natural wonders nearby.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Embark on an immersive experience of Thailand's ancient martial artistry, under the guidance of one of the top instructors in the nation. Upon your arrival at the nearby Phitphak Muay Thai gym, you will be chauffeured to the facility within approximately 30 minutes. Day 1. The adventure begins. We depart from Bangkok, traveling approximately 90 kilometers to our inaugural destination. In Bangkok, our highly rated food tour offers an unparalleled culinary experience, where you'll have the opportunity to sample an extensive array of both Thai and Chinese delicacies, under the watchful eye of a knowledgeable guide. Embark on this gastronomic journey in the heart of the vibrant Chinatown district, immersing yourself in the rich tapestry of flavors that defines this iconic metropolis. Embark on an enlightening culinary journey through Bangkok's vibrant Chinatown district. This guided tour will introduce you to an array of street food stalls, renowned for their exceptional quality and authenticity, as selected by esteemed Michelin guides. In the early morning, travelers can appreciate the stunning natural beauty as they embark on a leisurely journey towards Erawan National Park. This remarkable destination boasts an impressive array of 7 distinct levels of cascading waterfalls. This tour transports visitors to one of the most breathtaking waterfalls, located within Kanchanaburi, Thailand. As you embark on this journey, immerse yourself in the serene atmosphere where you can relax, picnic, or swim amidst the cascading waters that descend from the majestic mountains of Erawan National Park. Upon waking up early in the morning, guests will be picked up by our vehicle from their accommodation. They will then proceed to Maeklong Railway Market via train.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.